How to fix Reddit chat. If you are having trouble with Reddit chat not working properly, here are several troubleshooting steps you can follow to fix them. The first step is to check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Try switching between the Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue resolves. Next is to restart the Reddit app. Close the app completely, just like this, and simply reopen it and check if the chat works. Next step is to log out and log back in. Sometimes logging out and logging back into your account can resolve chat issues. Tap onto your profile icon at the top and tap onto settings right here. Then here you can find your account right here. Tap on it. Then here you can find your account right here. Now tap on it once again, and here you can find this arrow right here. Now simply tap on it and you will be logged out from here. Tap on to log out, and after that simply log back in, and after doing that simply try chatting again. And the final thing is simply reinstall the Reddit app. If the issue persists, try uninstalling and reinstalling. Now to uninstall, simply keep on tapping on this app and tap on to remove app right here. After removing it, simply reinstall it back. And that's it. This is how you can fix Reddit chat. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.